Hi, welcome to Stable Secretary. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay an invoice using credit. So we are going to, first of all, see who has credit. You can check your account balances on the financials dashboard and look in the credit line here. So person 2 has some credit. We can click on person 2 and we can go see their account balances. So they have some unpaid invoices here, you can see, and they also have some available account credit. So I am going to record a payment for them, and I'm going to use the credit that they have to pay for it. So I'm clicking the big add button and choosing payment. I will select person 2. And now you'll see in step 2 that there's an option to use account credit. I'm going to select that option. You can see up here how much there is to use, and you can fill in how much you want to use here. So let's try to use all of it and see what happens. So we have left in step 3 the auto apply. That means that the software will take the amount that you entered here and spread it out through the invoices. It actually seems like it's going to cover almost everything. The amount applied matches in the first 2, but we're a little bit short there. But that's fine. We're going to clear out all these invoices by using a per credit. I click save, and we'll have the confirmation that the credit was applied. Thanks for listening.